For our recipe today, homemade sweet chili sauce, we have a half a cup of vinegar, a half a cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 4 teaspoons of red chili flakes. For our corn starch slurry, we have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. You can alternate this recipe to fit your liking and your needs. Thank you, and let's get to the video. So you want to add your red chili flakes. We're going to toast those for a couple of minutes over a medium heat. Add your vinegar, your water, your garlic, about a tablespoon, whatever your liking is. Your soy sauce, about 4 minutes. You want to turn your heat down, and then you want to add your cornstarch slurry very slowly in the water.